Hi everyone, this is Manoj from Informatica GCS. In this video, we'll be covering Delta exports in MDM Product 360. The agenda for this video includes overview of Delta exports and a demo on how to create and schedule Delta exports. Now let us look into Delta exports. These Delta exports are a type of an export operation in the Product 360 which transfers data that has been changed, updated since the last export date. As these changed data include differences such as creating new data, that is items, products or variants, modifying of the existing data or deletion of existing records. Now with respect to scheduling of these Delta exports, this can be done only through PIM-rich client, which means it cannot be done through web client, as web clients only supports a normal export operation. The main prerequisite before moving to Delta exports is that you must need a export format template to export the data which has relevant type of data source to be exported for the particular data. Now let us move into a demo. Now this is the sample export format template which I have created to export details about an item, number and the short description. You can create many number of main modules and other sub modules. Now to make this export format template to be suitable for Delta export, the first main thing is selecting appropriate data source. As I said, Delta export will be exporting only changed and new items. We'll select either changed and new items, or you can even select deleted items, or at the product level if you want changed and new products. And second, variables. As I said, since the last export date it will take as reference, we'll create a new variable called change date with the data type as date and time. Once this variable gets created, we'll use this variable as reference date. From there you should select the change date. Once this is done, our export format template is ready. We'll save this export format template, and for scheduling we need to create new export profile. For this, navigate to the items perspective and right click on this export profile. Select new export profile, and from this select the export format template which we require. For now I am selecting this changed items. Leave the description profile name as it is, else you can update them. And the next, here you will get an option to as type of change. For now I am selecting new and changed items. The change date which we are expecting for the system to look, and we need to update this. This can be done either before or after. For now I am selecting after. Finish. Now our export profile is created. In this we'll go to the export profile created and we'll give export. As I said, we'll create the change date, we'll update it. Next, as most of the scheduled Delta exports will be running repeatedly, and it will export data of even change that happens within a minute. Now let me change this to every 5 minutes. Once this is done, we'll click finish. Now we can go to process overview and we'll see the data. We'll love to hear feedback from you. Please reach us on supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can either reach us through x/info support. Thank you for listening.